Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you today a quick tip on how you can replace multiple images in PowerPoint. So you can see in this deck here, we've got a couple of images that are exactly the same. Yes, one's been cropped a little bit differently, but it's essentially the same image. Now PowerPoint does a really good job of not storing two of those images, and it will have only stored one of those images. But the problem you've got is in PowerPoint, you can only replace one image at a time by using that change picture. So what we can do here is once we've got the image selected, if you look over here in Slidewise, you can actually see it says one of two images. And if we want to find out where the other one is, we look in show in Slidewise, and then we can double click here and it will take us to that other image. Now, to find the feature to replace the image, all you have to do is right click on the image node that you want, and it will say there replace two image instances. So it's going to replace both of them, but in this case it's going to retain the cropping information on that first one. So let's select an image that's a bit more suitable for this presentation, and what will happen now is Slidewise closes PowerPoint because it needs to do that. It needs to wrestle with the file format, and if we come back up, we can now look at those two pictures, and you can see they've both been changed but still used in the same way. Now in this example, we're only replacing two instances of the same image, but you can imagine if you had tens or even hundreds of the same image that you wanted to replace, this is going to be a huge time saver.